Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to export your shape key to Unity. So once you have your shape key set up, you're going to go into File, Export, and then you need to select FBX because in .obj it doesn't work because this format does not support shape key. So you click on FBX. And then you're going to put the path of your project. And now what I usually do is apply transform and then I click on export FBX. Now I have exported my object to Unity, so go into Unity. It is right here. And if I drag and drop it into the scene, I can see it as a skinned mesh renderer. And my keys are right here. And it's actually not called shape keys, but blend shapes. So I have my spikes and my key too. And that's it. That's all you have to do. If your Blender shape keys don't appear right here, it means that in Blender you add a modifier and you didn't apply it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So let's say I add modifier, a solidify, no. Let's say I add something else. Let's say I add a bevel, and if I export it again and hit export, go back into Unity, now I don't have my shape keys because of the modifier. So what you need to do is either manually apply your modifier right here, or what you can do is in the export menu, you need to go into geometry and uncheck apply modifier. Right here you can see it says warning, prevent exporting shape keys if you have it enabled and you have a modifier. So just uncheck it and hit export. And now if you go back into Unity, the modifier has not been applied, but we have our shape keys. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you find it useful. Bye bye.